Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. Today we want to show our presentation about pest control economic decision level. Our group members are Elia Kristanto, Widi Setiawan, Rizka Aulia Ananda, and Eli Istiqomah. Let's begin with the first things. Economic level concept. The concept of the economic level was first introduced in 1959 by Stern of the University of California. This concept consists of the concept of economic damage, economic injury level, economic threshold, and general equilibrium level. This concept emerged against the background of the tendency of farmers to use insecticides excessively to eradicate pests without using a rational basis. Insecticides are used in the scheduled manner according to the age of the plant economically for preventive reason, but are inefficient and pose a great risk to environmental quality. Therefore, it is necessary to establish an economic and ecological basis that can be used to decide when and where pesticides should be used. Definition of economic threshold. Economic threshold, or AA, is the population density of pests that require control measures to prevent an increase in population reaching the economic damage level.
Okay, next, economic threshold. Economic threshold, or AA. Economic threshold means a level of the pest population density or a pest attack intensity that justifies starting the use of pesticides for pest control. The purpose of using pesticide is to reduce the pest population to below the AA, so that it can be controlled naturally by natural enemy complex, so that the pest population remains around the general equilibrium level. Next, factor affecting economic threshold. Factors that affect the economic threshold of a pest include types of plants, type of pest, agroecosystem, consumer view on commodities, time, and others. Each pest has different characteristics: reproductive power, desire for optimal environmental conditions, as well as pleasure for the type of plant. There are plants which are highly favored, which are disliked. There are also types of plants that are not liked at all.
Setting economic threshold. The steps for setting the economic threshold can be carried out follows. Determining pest population density. Next, the determine the amount of crop loss, looking for the relationship between density and damage, estimating damage in value for money, finding the relationship between population and the value of money, calculating control costs per unit area, determine the population of pest populations that cause economic losses commensurate with the cost of control. The density level, which is the economic threshold value. Next. There are two ways to define AA. The one is empirical way. Empirical methods are based on the experience of farmers. Researchers of wild affairs who have been working on it for a long time and feel about the damage or loss caused by certain pest attack on the commodities being cultivated. Based on empirical data or experience over the years, information can be obtained about the population level or the intensity of the attack at what level the pest is starting to feel economically harmful. At the population level, it starts to harm. AE or AK or AT. Pests are different. Therefore, we can call this AE or AK or AT as farm AE or farmer threshold only. The second is Sitchet method. The determination of AE, the third research is carried out by researchers who specifically want to know how much AE is for a type of pest in a particular commodity. Usually, the target of research activities is to obtain an ALE value or economic wound level, and from the ALE value, AE is calculated, which is R2 or 3 ALE. ALE is calculated using the break-even point or BEP. ALE is population or attack intensity where the value of yields loss in rupiah that can be saved by pest control measures with pesticides in equal to the total cost of control in rupiah. Next. To research method, we can use ELE, P per Hg, KLP plus kali BK, where BP is control cost rupiah per hectare and Hg is main product price rupiah per kg. LT is main plant injury caused by one individual pest, and BK is main weight of plant damage per plant 1 unit.
Konsep economy injury level. Economic injury level or ALE is a condition where the loss population density can cause economic damage. Conceptually, the location of the economic threshold or AE is below the economic injury level ALE. The concept of AE functions as a decision maker for farmers to engage in agricultural activities, either due to excessive use of pesticide or other action that can cause loss. while ALE is more focused on the aspect of calculation cost or profit and loss in agriculture activities. Important factors that affect the economic injury level or ALE include primary factor consisting of price or value of crop production, pest control and management costs, the degree of injury inflicted by each individual pest, plant sensitivity to injury by pests, secondary factor, among other, population density that affect the size of the plant wound, pesticide price that affect management cost, and the territory factor, namely factor or variable that indirectly affect primary factor, water, soil condition, socioeconomic community.
Okay, that's all about our presentation. We want to say sorry if there is some mistake, and thank you for all of your attention.